Hello everyone, I'm currently at the airport and I'm going to go see my brother.
You like my coffee scale?
I believe I can find more happiness with your I believe I can find more happiness with your
Oh no!
Good morning everyone. It's currently 9:19 and I just got to Cairns. Will made me a coffee.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
barista.
What do you have to say, Will?
It was pretty good. I mean, it's not my best, but it was okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Today's gonna be quite a boring day, low-key, because Will has a busy life and I just kind of am his annoying sister. And so I think it's just a study kind of vibe. So I'm gonna check out Will's uni's library, see what the vibe is. And I do actually have a lot of work done, and like work I need to get done. What? I do actually have a lot of work that I need to get done because I need to submit like 3 assignments on Monday. Woo!
We're going to lectures half an hour late because I wasn't sure if I was going to go or not because it's just a feedback session. But we're going now, and Claire's coming with me.
Good morning, everyone. Say good morning.
Hi, good morning.
This morning, Will is taking me to the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we gonna do at the beach?
Walk.
What time is it?
It's 7:09.
Wow.
We were going to run, but I'm cooked.
But it is a very nice day so far. Yesterday it was kind of sad because I was literally just sitting over there, pondering around, and it's just raining.
Freak.
Woo!
How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need
William, what did you get?
I got French toast.
Wow.
Which one? I like the palette. Nice colours.
You like the color palette?
Yeah. See there, Annie's.
Oh, right.
Very popular.
Okay, so the reason why we're at the shopping centre is because for my 4-day trip to Cairns, I forgot all underwear. It's not ideal.
You say it loud and proud.
Well, it's kind of getting embarrassing actually to film. No. Okay. Underwear. How exciting. A yo-yo. Okay, got my stuff. Do you need anything? Girl, what the? Look at this man.
Ready?
Yeah. That's not quite. Guys, Will has a literal flower growing in his car. Like, and there's another one over there. There's more coming.
You've died though.
That is kind of crazy. It's like so live and like happy. Is that a weed or is that an actual flower?
It's an actual flower.
Really? Okay, I feel like this vlog is like so all over the place. There's like no structure. But anyway, Will and I are currently at what?
Barren Falls.
We are at Barren Falls. It's pretty exciting. Have you been here?
I have been here before. Once. It was very full last year.
Apparently it's a very big
It's like,
waterfall.
It's like the biggest in Queensland.
Biggest in Queensland. In his camping mattress. Good night, Will. So my brother William Cho, on a common daily basis, looks like a turtle walking to uni. In his backpack, he gives Ninja, what are those, like Ninja Turtles? That's what I'm thinking of when I see him. Anyway, right now we're going to go to the library to do some study. We're both feeling a little bit crazy. Like, we had a nap and I feel like, you know, you just wake up from a nap. Oh wow. How are you feeling, Will? Is that it? Get excited? Okay. What are you gonna do?
Study.
Oh, but not, what are you gonna study?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oral histology.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. It is currently 5:12 and Will and I are about to go to dinner. Will made a reservation, so I'm excited. It's like an Italian place, I think. Do you have anything to say?
Well. No, I won't say anything yet.
Okay.
But you're wrong.
Oh, is that Italian? What? Oh, is that why you asked me what I wanted?
No.
For dinner?
I was just curious what you felt like.
Didn't you say it's going to be Italian?
Did I?
Okay, so it's not Italian. Will's putting on his RMs. Wow. Okay, guys, I thought I would give a fit check while we're waiting.
Oh, fit check.
So, Will, you can go first.
I have the polo, the Levi's, and the RMs.
What about your hat?
My hat. Yeah.
What about your belt?
My belt, Iron Williams.
Okay, cool. I have a limited options, but my shirt or jumper is Ganza. These I have no idea. They're from like a boutique store. Will is snapping, not snapping. What do you use? And then I got these shoes, and then that's it. Jewelry. This is my mum's ring. I got this necklace. What are you saying? Oh no. Hello everyone. I thought we should have like a chit chat segment. What should we talk about? What's your view on how do you stay motivated and positive?
Approaching a railway crossing.
I think one thing I have recently sort of been like, while I was just like constantly down. I was like, oh, things sort of suck. But I think definitely you can choose to be happy to an extent.
Yeah.
And so where I'd be like, oh, this sucks, I'd be like, oh, well, you know, it's hard, but I get to learn, or I get to do this. And you can just, in a way, you can just like make yourself happy.
Yeah.
Like you can be all soppy and depressed, but
Yeah.
you can also just be like,
What's your input on like how do you think you're juggling? Because you know, say if you have like specific cups, it's a very slippery roundabout, is it? If you have like specific cups, so one cup is like family, one is study, one is like your own time. Do you think you manage and pour enough into each cup, or do you think you should delegate your time a bit better? Do you think you do it well?
I think right now it's okay. It's like sort of hard to put time and effort into family when you're like 1,000 kilometers away.
Yeah.
But like I think like I call my family often, more than most, and
You're hanging out with me right now.
I think unfortunately studying is not really an option. You can't just put effort into it.
Yeah.
And it probably does affect other aspects of my life a bit too much.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's just not an option.
Yeah, I guess like you enter different seasons, and so I don't think it's a good or bad thing, but it's just how it is. Guys,
It's like a treat for me as well.
Yeah. Will brought me here for my birthday, but he's like, it's a treat for me as well. Ew. So fancy. Alright, so this is a taste test of the drink. So I want you to do a taste test.
The ice is about to fall off. It's pretty nice.
Pretty good. What is it?
It's like mango and lime. Like,
Yum. Okay guys, so for the starter, we got some beef carpaccio.
interesting.
It's just raw beef, pretty much. Is it one slice? Oh. Maybe it's partially cooked. Oh wait,
I don't think it is.
you don't think so?
It's very cold.
That's pretty good. Okay guys, so for our mains, we're having, what is it?
It's ribeye, some Japanese ribeye.
I'm so
I
excited.
think it's Angus.
And we got some chips. Yum! I can't wait. Guys, this is our last bite. Cheers. Okay, and for dessert we have sticky date pudding. Yum! What are you laughing Guys, look how cool. People, you on the boat. Seafood. Look at the pelicans. How are they real? Okay, Will, how would you rate the dinner out of 10?
It was very good. The food was very good. I'm very full now.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
I feel like there was such a good, like, oh wait, these people are fully judging. Anyway, it was such a good...
Why is it so awkward, Kat?
Guys, look at this tree. What do you think of this tree, Will?
It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Look at the colour scheme. It's like red and...
Red and gold. Did you say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Turtle Will is activated again. I don't know. I feel like it's because I just never wear backpacks. It looks funny. Oh, we have to go this way where all the people are. Great. Right now we are trying to find a cafe to go eat and maybe study at. Will's never studied at a cafe before.
I just don't eat out.
He just doesn't eat out. Whereas I have such a bad habit of eating out every single day, pretty much. Anyway, so that's exciting. It's a very gloomy day, as you can see, as always. But it is very pretty still. What happens?
There's no table. Too busy.
Okay, so Turtle Will. Okay, that's cringe as I'm not gonna say that. William, what did you get?
Some orange waffle. Looks nice though.
Where are we, Will?
We are at a lookout. It's like halfway up the Copperload Fall Dam Road. I wanted to go all the way to the top, but it's closed.
Yeah. Why is it closed?
I think they're doing road work up at the side.
We just finished our study sesh. It's actually very successful for me. I think Will too. Okay, everyone. Now we are at Crystal Cascades. I feel like this vlog is like boom, 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 like the most random things. But so we finished study today, and then we went to a random lookout. Now we're at Crystal Cascades. Oi, they're going swimming. They got towels. What about us? Going swimming in our clothes.
Lots of people get swept away and die.
Oh,
I think like 4 people have died in the last few years.
4 people have died. That's crazy.
바람이 날리며 흩날리는 벚꽃잎이 울려 퍼진 이 거리를 둘이 걸어요.
The way he just rips this off and does this. You stole a piece of my heart. Also, he finished his pizza pretty much. That's like a half to go. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Sunday Arvo, which means I get to go check out Will's church. Yay! And as you can see on his back, not Turtle Will anymore. He's Drummer Will. Also, isn't the car over this way? Anyway, so Will and I are now on our way. I'm excited to see what Will's church is like. And that he's drumming, so that's even cooler.
Make sure you look good for Jesus.
Yeah. Okay guys, we made it! Look. Oh. This is it.
I'm making a cake in a cup.
Will and I are making cake in a cup.
It still smells smoky. It's because I think the pizza's still in here.
Yeah, did we say to the vlog? Someone in Will's apartment set off the fire alarm because of a pizza. So.
It was crispy.
Crispy. This is what we're having. What do you need to put in it?
Just milk.
Oh.
The people want it all. Some just want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby. If I ain't got you.
For how long?
40 seconds. Isn't that crazy? This cooks in 40 seconds.
In this?
No, not enough. Not enough to go.
In this?
Yeah.
In the
Wait for me
pizza?
though.
Oh, it smells so good.
Well, she's done.
Extraordinary is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love
Girl.
was made
Who
for
is
me
also, what the
and
heck
you.
is this? The whey protein. Whoa. Can you tell men live in here? Okay, let's go. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Will and I are gonna go on a run. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the beach. Woo! The weather is raining though. Okay guys, currently I'm at 4 kilometers. Ugh. Will is like way ahead. You can't even see him. But maybe I'll do 5 and then call it a day. I think Will's doing like 10, but I don't think I can do 10. Well, I can, but I don't know. Okay guys, we're gonna go on the run back. How are you feeling, Will? Really good?
Excellent.
That's so sad. Look at the tree. Wow. Look, what is this? Is this mango? I mean mango. That's the mango. Okay everyone, Will, what are we doing?
The aquarium.
We're going to the aquarium. Will, I was gonna vlog in the car, but Will was like, "Are you gonna vlog?" So this is gonna be the ending sequence, I would assume, of the vlog. I'll just go home this Arvo. Well, tonight I go home. So we get to go to the aquarium to finish off the trip. Apparently this aquarium is quite like well known kind of thing. So I'm very excited. Cairns Aquarium! Okay, Will, how are you feeling for the aquarium?
Good. Oh, that's by Hilton, that hotel.
No, I need a bit more enthusiasm.
I'm excited.
Is that it?
And tired.
I'm tired.
Stressed.
And stressed. Oh, that's a nice combination. It's okay, the aquarium will take it all away.
Yeah.
Get to see some fish.
Yeah.
Smile. Whoa.
The next one is river monsters.
Wow.
Just fish.
Okay, I'll come too. Oh, what the heck? But they're all quite dangerous, these ones. If you touch them, you can get quite sick. Yeah. Well, how did you like the...
It was good. It was expensive, I reckon, but
It was so expensive.
it was nice.
It was like $56 for me to go in. It was like alright.
It was okay.
We were hyping it up a lot. I don't know what we expected.
It's still busy. Damn. On a
Damn.
random Monday.
We're going to go try this cafe again that we did. Was it yesterday? Yeah, we tried to go to it yesterday, but it was packed. We'll see if we can get a seat. Surely.
So sad to leave Hawaii.
I'm so sad to leave Hawaii. Look at Hawaii.
엄청 크네? 이게 17불. 괜찮네?
Yeah, guys,
Fatty, like,
Will's not feeling too good. He ate too much food. But we did get takeaways.
I didn't even eat that once though.
You didn't, but I feel like we didn't eat that much long ago. Oh wait, can you grab one? They're gonna drop. Oh, okay. Guys, what?
더 잘하네.
그래?
야,
좀 더 잘하는 것 같아?
좀더 잘해.
더 자신감 있게?
좀더 컨피던스.
오, 그게 자신감이야.
아, 자신감.
자신감이 있어.
자신감이 있어. 좀더 있어.
오, 오케이, good.
아, 좋아.
계속 한국말 말해야 돼?
아,
알았어?
캘럽이랑
Caleb 좀 많이 해. Okay, guys, ignore our little Korean spurts there, but we're currently on our way home. Well, to the airport. My last few seconds with my brother. Oh, it's raining.
so much time.
Per usual. Oh, really? Oh, we'll be fine. Yay, Will's gonna pass dentistry. Yippee. Okay, guys, we're in the Cairns airport. Look at this. Cairns airport. I will.
Are you leaving?
I'm gonna dap you up before I go. Your hand's really sweaty. Is that it? I swear we used to have like a.
Yeah, we did.
I can't remember what it was. Bye, Will. See you in a month.
Hopefully I'm fit by then.
Yeah.